What is going on, Ape Nation? What a beautiful day to be an ape. Not so much a beautiful day to be a short seller or to be increasing your short position on AMC stock. I told you this a few days ago. I told you exactly what would happen. It was actually 2 days ago, okay? Go back and watch my short video. It was actually my short video from Wednesday, yeah. Anyhow, enough of that. There's something important that we must do. We must say a prayer for Ken Griffin because this is really hurting his pockets today. I'm sure he's upset, disappointed, and you know, I hate it when people feel like that. So Kenny, we're so sorry for doing this to you. We're very, very sorry, but you know what? You deserve it, you little bastard. Hiring that Gasparino guy to tell everybody that we live with our parents and that we don't eat bananas, we eat ramen noodles, and our burritos are going to be shrinking. I don't know if you guys saw those videos on my channel from yesterday and the day before, but yeah, make sure you check those out. There's a new clown in town, and his name ain't Bozo, it's Gasparino. So, you know, he thought he was going to get a few laughs out on us, but looks like the tables are turning. It's our turn to laugh and point the finger. But yeah, let's get back to our praying, right? Anyhow, let's get into this video. Before we do, please do not forget to smash that thumbs up button. And for the love of God, if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and do so because Kenny does not want you to, and I drop content just like this every single freaking day. Let's talk about what in the hell is going on with AMC stock. It would appear that Spider-Man, there's no way home. How ironic. No way home. Yeah, that's how the short sellers should feel right now. No way home. Hell, they may not even have a home after today's events. A 20% run-up. Sorry, I just keep taking cheap shots at these bastards, but I can't help it. It's so much fun. So, Spider-Man, No Way Home. Let's talk about that very quickly. A strong opening box office performance, just to put it mildly, in mild terms. The movie opened last night across AMC theaters all over the United States, and we had 1.1 million apes watching Spider-Man No Way Home at AMC theaters. So, what were these shorts, these FUD spreaders talking about when they said this is a dying industry? Let me tell you what they weren't talking about. What they weren't talking about and what they had no way of knowing is what the numbers would be revealing to us, such as the numbers that we're looking at today. Spider-Man No Way Home was the single highest grossing movie title on its opening night in AMC history for any movie that's ever opened in December. But this certainly does explain the 20% move because people are excited. The apes are excited because exactly what the freaking short sellers, what these FUD spreaders were saying that wasn't going to happen is now happening. So I guess I should go ahead and tell you that these numbers are showing us that, you know, movie theaters are dying. No one wants to go watch movies at theaters anymore. It's never going to happen again.